Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to get virtual card on Affirm. So log into your Affirm account and then click on the shop tab here. So once you've logged into your app on your account, so you click on the shop tab here underneath. So click on it. So once you click on the shop tab here, you will see an option called use of a virtual card. Click on that. So click on use of a virtual card, and then from here what you're going to do, you're going to like choose a store that you wish to use. For example, here I will use Nike. So what you're going to do now here, as mentioned here, so all you have to do is you just have to proceed with your purchase at Nike. Just click on shop online purchase, and then when you check out, just click on pay with Affirm. So this will request a one-time user card, and then you can use that card to pay at the checkout. So that's how you actually generate a virtual card on Affirm. So when you just have to click on pay with Affirm when you get to the checkout. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information is helpful to you all. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.